Once you're in QuickBooks, you don't necessarily have to be in the Customer Center to actually add a customer group. What you want to do is head up to the menu, click on List, and then come down to Manage Groups. If you had any groups already set up, you would see them listed here. You'll notice on the left that you can create customer groups, vendor groups, or employee groups, and it would work the same no matter which of these three options you choose. I'll just create a customer group, and I'll click right here to create that group. The first thing QuickBooks wants to know is what is the name of this group that you're setting up, and I'm just going to call this one Residential Yearly Checkups. You do have the ability to put in a description if you'd like. Then you want to click Next at the bottom. On this screen, you're going to specify the different fields and the values that you'd like QuickBooks to pull from your customer list. The first thing you're going to see under Field is these are my customer fields. I'm going to say customer types that equal, and then this would list the customer types I've already set up in QuickBooks. I'm going to choose residential in this case. Once you make all your choices, click Add, and you'll see all those selected fields down here at the bottom. You can add additional criteria. If you wanted to narrow this list, you just go back through and pick your field operator value again. I'm going to click Next, and now you'll see all of the customers that meet the criteria. If you notice over in this field where it says type, they all say residential. If you have a particular customer that you don't want to be a part of this list, just uncheck them here on the left. If you have a lot of customers that showed up in this list and you want to search for a particular one, you can type it right here in the search box. I'm going to go ahead and click Finish at the bottom, and it will tell me that I've successfully created my group called Residential Yearly Checkups. I'll just click OK, and now you'll see the list. When you're looking at this list, all the way on the right you have some actions. This is where you can edit this group. It will ask me if I'm sure I want to edit the group. I'll just say yes, and now you can go through and edit whatever you need to here. You also have the ability, if you wanted to delete the entire group, you could do that. But I want to show you the email option. If you wanted to send an email to all of these customers, you're going to choose email from this list, and now you'll see that it's pulled everyone. Now you just need to fill in any of this information that you would need before you send out your email. You can see that it needs a subject. I'm going to say yearly checkup. And then down in the body here, I might say something like, it's time to go ahead and schedule your yearly checkup. You always want to check your spelling in the body of your message. And notice it just tells me down here at the bottom that QuickBooks will take 16 minutes to send these emails and won't be available. When you're ready, you just hit Send Now, and then you can wait for those to go out. And when you're finished, just hit Close at the bottom, and that email has gone out. Don't forget, you can also do the same thing with vendors and or employees over on the left here. That's how you're going to set up a customer group. Let's go ahead now and head over to the next video, number 4, and we're going to talk about how to add multiple customer contacts to your